Hindi ko po alam yung kapayapaan ni Kokoy Baldo, but yes, nabalitaan ko din. I actually saw it on my feed, like a reggae king here in the Philippines. Passed away today, so I am sending my condolences to Sir Kokoy Baldo's family. Pero ito lang kasi yung alam kong reggae. Hindi ko kasi alam yung kapayapaan. Okay lang, ito na lang. One day na lang. Okay. Let's go, guys. Thank you. And onti na lang po. 14,000 diamonds for the next rank. Let's go, guys. Weekly number 3 power taps. Magto 2 million taps na tayo. Sometimes I lay under the moon and I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes my tears are drowned. Tap na guys. But I never let it get me down. 2 million taps. So when negativity is around, I know someday it all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day. But one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when they feed in the souls of the innocent. Blood dreams, baby, keep on moving through the waters they raging. In this mess you can lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it phase you away. No way. Sometimes my tears are drowned, but I never let it. Hindi ko... natatawa ako sa comment, sorry. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for. Labanan na natin ang shadow ban, guys. Tap the screen. And the children will play. One day, natatawa ako. One day. Guys, hayaan nyo na. Kung pwede hindi natin sila pansinin, okay lang. Ako, medyo namamanhid na rin naman ako. May nag-comment kasi. Ano ka, bingot? Sabi. Sakit na dyan ko. Guys, nako. Me also, I will not tolerate sa mga Team Rising natin. Hayaan nyo na lang, guys. Habaan na lang po natin ang ating pasensya, okay? Habaan na lang natin. Hayaan nyo na. Okay lang ako. Sanay na tayo. Habaan nyo na lang po yung pasensya natin, okay? Kaya natin yan. Hayaan na lang. Kayo talaga. Mga palaban talaga ang Team Rising, ano? Pero wag na lang natin pansinin, ha? Hayaan nyo na, guys. One day, one day, one day. Hayaan nyo na ang mga bashers na yan. Hayaan na natin sila. Honey Kwan, thank you. Hayaan na lang natin, guys. Sabi nga nila, the best reaction is no reaction. Sige, ako din. Itatry ko din. Pero Lord, minsan kasi nakakapagod. Minsan sumasakto din po talaga, Lord, na pagod or pause ka. Alam mo, yung gusto mo naman talagang kumanta na maayos. Pero gusto nila, pero aapihin ka pa ng mga viewers. Nako, minsan masakit din, ah. Yes. Focus tayo sa goal, guys. Meron tayong 2 goal. I-prioritize na lang po natin ang subscriber goal. Eto, guys. 210 na tayo. Sana ma-hit natin ang 220 subscribers. Once again, if you subscribe, you're gonna receive a lot of perks. Stickers, special badges beside your name, prioritize ang request and a shout out. And how to subscribe? Just click on the subscribe button below on your lower left. Ito po. Or you can help me boost my stream by sharing my live or by tapping. Or you can also boost it by gifts. Pwede rin po kayo mag-gift. Guys, onti na lang to. 14,000 diamonds. Mag-rank ano tayo? Mag-rank 3 na tayo. 14,000 na lang. I-manifest natin to, guys. Fighting. Let's uplift our fighting spirit tonight. We can do this. Good luck, Hanikon, sa final exam. Marsky, tara na, Team Ricey. Teamwork tayo, guys. Power taps. Para mas maraming pumasok. 14,000 na lang to. Kayang-kaya natin to. Okay, up next. Kantahin natin tong Para sa Akin. Let's sing this song. Manifest, yes. Paano ba mag-attract ng more viewers? Mag-tap tayo ng marami. And share my live or you can also subscribe. Guys, let's go na, guys. Subscribe na po kayo sa aking live subscription and be part of my team. Yan, just click lang po on the subscribe button below. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, guys. Water break lang tayo. And ito, para sa akin, may nag-request po nito kanina. Up next, duyan po tayo, ha? Chill lang tayo. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muli lulumam. Liza, BBJ, hello po, good evening. Ng puso kong nagmamahal, kung ako ay papalari, na ako'y mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, magpakailanman di kita pipilitin. Sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin, hayaan na tumibok ang puso mo. Thank you po, Ma'am Liza, BBJ, and Yamite. Kalel, thank you. Rank 3, here we go. 13,000 diamonds to go. We can do this. Lego. Mayroon ka. Asa na tayo? Kung mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig, magpakailanman di kita pipilitin. Sunit mo pa ang iyong damdamin, hayaan na tumibok ang puso mo. Para sa akin, Ma'am Liza, thank you so much. Ayan na, onti na lang po. 12,000 diamonds to go. Mag-rank 3 tayo, guys. Thank you, Ma'am Liza. Kung ako ay papalari, Ma'am Liza, baka may request po kayo, ha? Iyong mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang ibigin, magpakailanman di kita pipilitin. Sunin mo pa ang iyong damdamin, ay namaos na sumo. Para sa akin, laban lang di kita pipili. Thank you, Ma'am Liza. Sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin, hayaan tumibok ang puso mo. Para sa akin. Thank you, Ma'am Liza. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Don't worry, ano na lang po ako. Hello, Ma'am Liza, thank you. Pasensya na po, hindi ako makasigaw masyado, ha. Ma'am Liza, thank you po. Thank you, thank you. Ayan na, guys. Onti na lang. 11,000 diamonds na lang. Matatapos na tayo sa aking rank 3 goal. Let's go na, Team Ricey. And up next, I would like to dedicate this song to Ma'am Liza. Sabi ni Ma'am, kahit anong song daw. Sige, eto. Sana kaya ko pa po ito kantahin. We can do this, guys. Onting-unti na lang.